What's up guys, Lou here back with another video, and today I've got something unusual for you, but I'm thinking it might be incredibly useful. I still don't really believe it though, because when I saw this online and I saw the demonstration, I was like, come on, show me where David Copperfield is. This doesn't look right. What I've got in front of me is something called the Mighty Mug. This is the mug that cannot be tipped over. It will not fall over. It is the mug that is unspillable. What are you talking about, Lou? Everybody needs this. Why, if this is something, have mugs been able to tip for so long? Now, I think this might be the ultimate kind of mug for your gadget head, because as you know and I know, we're these kind of guys, we're on the laptop, right? Cruising for a bruising, looking for the next best thing on the web, and generally speaking, we have a drink nearby. You tip that drink right into that keyboard, you fry that logic board, that motherboard. You're not a happy camper anymore, are you? All because of what? Because you're trying to save your pennies and use a cheapo mug instead of the unspillable one? What kind of person are you? I have a Coca-Cola classic. The classic's in the house. Coca-Cola, hit me up. I'm still waiting for your phone call. This one is kind of a more traditional coffee style. This one looks like it's for a cold beverage. It includes a straw. It lifts straight up, but it grips to the surface. You know that game that you play at those motivational things where it's like, do you trust the guy behind you? Just fall back. He'll catch you. You know the game I'm talking about? That's the moment we're gonna have. That's the moment we're about to have here. Junk inside. It's interesting. So the bottom part of it is the fact that it like pivots a little bit. I'm gonna put the mug to the side for a moment, but like I said, they essentially function the same. I just picked it up and there was no problem, so. Oh man, this is nerve-wracking. I got all this camera equipment over here and I'm gonna try and tip this thing over. Remember what I said, Coca-Cola, I'm waiting for your phone call. Anytime. Phone lines are open. You lift straight up and it comes up, but. Oh! Oh! Towards the camera. It's stressful every time. It looks like it's gonna go. You feel like it's gonna, but it ain't gonna go. What if I, woo! Got me feeling a little nilly-willy. That's a lot of, do I slap it? Do I slap it? Wow! What? How do I not have this already? How does everyone not have this? I mean, if you could forget about the splash coming out the top, which you could. I'm split. Whoa, man. My life has changed. What about picking it up? So let's say I want to take a drink. This is like too genius. This should be the only cup allowed on desks across America. This one. It makes a simple claim, but it's a hell of a claim. And I was skeptical.